Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Smoky Red Island mocktail. It's a very fancy mocktail. You have to take a shaker glass and add some ice cube. Then you have to pour 180 ml of cranberry juice into the shaker glass. Then you have to squeeze 3 lime wedges. Just squeeze all lime wedges. Then you have to pour 20 ml of strawberry crush. Then shake all the ingredients properly. Just shake well and take a centro glass and pour all the ingredients into the centro glass. After that you have to add 120 ml of ultra monster on top of the glass. See, the fancy color came, very fancy color. See, after that you have to take another glass and you have to add some dry ice into the glass. Then pour 120 to 180 ml of hot water. See how the smoke came, very. Then pour the glass on the top of the glass. See, your mocktail is ready. See, the smoky flavor mocktail is ready. Garnish with some orange and some lime wedges. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video.